The toilet is the bathroom's main attraction. It requires special attention. Here's what you'll need. Bacteria runs amok around the toilet, so keep your hands clean, dry, and protected. Traditional brushes sit in their filth. We recommend using the Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Brush, equipped with disposable cleaning solution pads. Brush under the rim and around the water level where grime lives. With a disposable brush, you can just toss the dirty pad when you're done. Here's a quick tip. If you have stubborn toilet rings but no toilet bowl cleaner, pour a cup of vinegar in the bowl. Let it soak for an hour, then give it a good scrub. Germs and grime don't just live inside the bowl. Spray the outside of the toilet top to bottom, including the handle and the lid, with a disinfectant cleaner. Unlike other continuous cleaners, you don't ever have to touch the ick. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel keeps your toilet bowl clean every time you flush. We have your back in the bathroom. Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more helpful cleaning tips and ideas.
Kaboom Scrub Free keeps your toilet continuously clean with every flush. It's a toilet cleaning system that attaches inside your toilet tank. It's easy to install. Just clip it to the back of the tank and connect the tubes. You will never have to scrub your toilet again. Say goodbye to your brush and switch to cleaning with every flush.
Tired of tough scrubbing? You need new Kaboom BowlBlaster. It penetrates rust and lime scale. The thick gel goes on purple, and when it turns green, it's ready to clean without hard scrubbing and leaves a fresh, clean scent. New Kaboom BowlBlaster. See and smell the clean.
Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This cling gel is one of the best heavy-duty toilet bowl cleaners that is available in the market. You need to handle it with care and great precaution. It works well on even tough stains, and sparkles even the rim areas once the cleaning is over. The thick formula makes it the best hanging toilet bowl cleaner that maximizes the cleansing power. It kills most of the viruses and microbes, making the surface spotless. The gel can remove even rustic and hard water stains in minutes. The nozzle is angled, designed to allow you to reach even the under bowl rim, which makes the toilet bowl very clean, shiny, and the disinfected bowl is left with has removable bowl rings, which make it very easier to clean it at all sides, without remaining any sides unattended. It has the cuts through the hard stains which make the bowl very. If you're looking for a different, but effective system for cleaning your toilet, and aren't keen on the idea of storing a germ-riddled toilet brush close to your toilet, then this cleaning kit from Clorox is quite possibly the answer. Once you've got it set up and ready to use, it certainly makes it easy to clean and disinfect your toilet. The kit comes with disposable sponge cleaning heads which attach to the wand. The heads are pre-loaded with Clorox foaming cleaner to tackle stains and kill germs as you scrub and swish around inside the toilet bowl and below the water line. The hexagon-shaped sponges are great for getting to those hard-to-reach places like under the rim, where bacteria can easily build up. When you're done, the sponge goes into the trash, taking all those germs and viruses with it. It's simple but effective. Clorox Ultra Clean Toilet Tablets bleach and blue cleans and deodorizes your toilet bowl with every flush and leaves a fresh rain clean scent. These toilet bowl cleaning tablets continuously cleans, prevents stains and deodorizes, eliminating the need to scrub every time. Each tablet leaves the toilet bowl sanitary in 5 minutes and delivers a long-lasting bleach and blue clean that is good for up to 4 months. And with this 2-pack, you can keep your toilet clean and the dreaded toilet ring away for up to 8 months and help extend the time between deep cleans. Simply drop a tablet into your toilet tank and watch it do its thing. When the blue water fades, it is time to drop in another tablet. Keep your toilet bowl sparkling fresh and ultra clean with no mess and no fuss with the help of Clorox Ultra Clean Toilet Tablets bleach and blue.